Hey guys, I'm back with another video. You've seen me put these tires on, but it's winter time and some ice was falling today, some frozen rain. So it's time to put on my winter tires, and so I'm gonna go ahead and take these guys off and then go ahead and put my 18-inch wheels that came with it. I went ahead and put Bridgestone Blizzaks on there. I already had it balanced and everything at my local tire shop. And so I've loosened these already by hand, just using a wrench. Now we're gonna go ahead and jack it up and take it off. So here's my new tire. Like I said, these are the Blizzaks from Bridgestone. But you do want to make sure that when you put these on, you follow this right here. This says rotation. So it's got an arrow going this way. You can kind of tell by the tread pattern how it's going to perfectly perform and how it should go. But look at that little rotation symbol showing you the arrow there, meaning it's going to be going that way, right? Spinning that way, okay? And so that's the way that you want to go ahead and put those on. Let's go ahead and take this guy off and we'll pop this new one on, and then do the same for the rest. It's pretty self-explanatory, I know. But here, I got some good tread pattern here, ready for that snow and ice. All right, we're done. We got them all on. One thing I just gonna want to point out when you're putting on these, especially these Blizzaks, is you get that rotation correct. I'm trying to find it. Where's it at? Anyway, we know we did this one right because this was the first one. But on all the other ones, you gotta find that, again, that rotation sign. Where are you? There it is, rotation. So you can see that arrow's going right. Again, you can look at the tread and tell that it's correct as well. And so these guys are on as well. And so we're ready for the weather out here, and we're prepared to, you know, ride through the snow. And this is a rear wheel drive, so we're gonna see how well it does this winter, but from what I've read, they do pretty well. All right, guys. Please subscribe as always and comment with any questions below. Take care.